Hi, my name is Yash Thakur, and this is Northstar, which is a multi agent equity research and portfolio intelligence platform. So, the reason I created Northstar was because individual investors themselves have access to enormous amounts of market information, but that information is often scattered across multiple platforms, which makes them difficult to interpret, and they're presented through these unexplainable ratings. And so, my goal with this specific project wasn't necessarily to create another black box stock predictor. Instead, what I wanted to create was a transparent research process, which is inspired by an investment committee all the way in Wall Street, where different multi agents challenge one another with their opinions before reaching a conclusion. And that same mindset was adapted into stocks. And thus came the theory of the bull and bear debate. And so let me show you how it works. This is our homepage. And over here, you you can put in a maximum of 5 tickers, which is essentially an abbreviated symbol which is used to identify a company. And so over here we have NVDA for NVIDIA. And below that is a live market pulse, and this shows live stock ratings and the stock analyzer over here, which if you can just click that, then you will see live stocks. And this is updated as of July 31st, 2026. And so when I select this, it will now run an analysis on those three stocks specifically. And I realized I clicked 30 rounds. And rounds are essentially how many times you want those AI agents to debate. So the more rounds that you have, the more accurate your information is going to be. And we have proven this to be around a 60 to 65% return rate. So there's a 65% chance that the reading that it generates is true versus not. And here we can see that Microsoft is um, the top ticker. And here we can view an analysis, see the thought process of the agents and the data that they use to come to that conclusion. And so here there are some more quality of life changes, which are the news, which is usually script from Wall Street, Yahoo, or Y Finance. And then we have Learn, which is basically a beginner's guide to how to use this website. There are a multitude of more features. However, I wanted to save those for when I'll be presenting in the final. So yeah, thank you. And this is Northstar.